Understanding credit scores. How to build and improve your credit. Your credit score is one of the most important numbers in your financial life. It influences your ability to secure loans, rent an apartment, get a credit card, and even land certain jobs. Despite its significance, many people don't fully understand how credit scores work or how to improve them. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about credit scores, including how they're calculated, why they matter, and actionable steps to build and improve your credit. What is a credit score? A credit score is a three-digit number that represents your creditworthiness, essentially, how likely you are to repay borrowed money. Lenders, landlords, and other entities use this score to assess the risk of doing business with you. The higher your score, the more trustworthy you appear to creditors. Credit scores typically range from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better credit health. Here's a general breakdown of credit score ranges. Poor, 300,579. Fair, 580,669. Good, 670,739. Very good, 740,799. Excellent, 800,850. How is your credit score calculated? Your credit score is calculated using information from your credit report, which is maintained by credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The most widely used scoring model is the FICO score, which considers 5 key factors. Payment history, 35%. This is the most significant factor. It reflects whether you've paid your bills on time, including credit cards, loans, and other debts. Credit utilization, 30%. This measures how much of your available credit you're using. For example, if you have a credit card with a 10,000 limit on a 3,000 balance, your utilization rate is 30%. Length of credit history, 15%. This considers how long you've had credit accounts. A longer credit history generally improves your score. Credit mix, 10%. Having a variety of credit types, e.g., credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, can positively impact your score. New credit, 10%. Opening multiple new credit accounts in a short period can lower your score, as it may indicate financial instability. Why does your credit score matter? Your credit score affects many aspects of your financial life. Here are some key reasons why it's important. Loan approvals. Lenders use your credit score to determine whether to approve you for loans and what interest rate to offer. A higher score can save you thousands of dollars in interest over time. Credit card applications. Credit card companies use your score to decide whether to approve your application and what credit limit to offer. Renting a home. Landlords often check credit scores to assess whether you're likely to pay rent on time. Employment opportunities. Some employers review credit reports as part of the hiring process, especially for roles that involve handling money or sensitive information. Insurance premiums. Insurers may use credit-based insurance scores to set premiums for auto and home insurance. How to build credit from scratch. If you're new to credit or have no credit history, building a credit score can feel like a catch-22. You need credit to build credit. Fortunately, there are several strategies to get started. Open a secured credit card. A secured credit card requires a cash deposit, which serves as your credit limit. Use the card responsibly, and your activity will be reported to the credit bureaus. Become an authorized user. Ask a family member or friend with good credit to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. Their positive payment history can help boost your score. Apply for a credit builder loan. Some banks and credit unions offer credit builder loans, which are designed to help people establish credit. The loan amount is held in a savings account while you make payments, and once the loan is paid off, you receive the funds. Use rent reporting services. Some services allow you to report rent payments to credit bureaus, helping you build credit without a traditional credit account. Get a county signer. If you're applying for a loan or credit card, having a co-signer with good credit can increase your chances of approval. How to improve your credit score. If your credit score is less than ideal, don't worry, there are steps you can take to improve it. Here's how. Pay your bills on time. Payment history is the most important factor in your credit score. Set up payment reminders or automatic payments to avoid missing due dates. Reduce credit card balances. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%, and ideally below 10%. Paying down balances can have a significant positive impact on your score. Avoid closing old accounts. Closing old credit accounts can shorten your credit history and increase your utilization rate. Keep them open, even if you don't use them often. Limit new credit applications. Each time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry is recorded on your credit report, which can lower your score. Only apply for credit when necessary. Check your credit report for errors. Errors on your credit report can drag down your score. Request a free copy of your report from annualcreditreport.com and dispute any inaccuracies. Diversify your credit mix. If you only have credit cards, consider adding an installment loan, e.g., auto loan, personal loan, to your credit profile. Be patient. Building or improving credit takes time. Consistently practicing good credit habits will yield results over time. Common credit score myths. There's a lot of misinformation about credit scores. Let's debunk some common myths. Myth: checking your credit lowers your score. Checking your own credit report is a soft inquiry and does not affect your score. Only hard inquiries from lenders can lower your score. Myth: carrying a balance helps your credit. You don't need to carry a balance to build credit. Paying your balance in full each month is the best way to avoid interest and maintain a good score. Myth: closing a credit card improves your score. Closing a credit card can actually hurt your score by increasing your utilization rate and shortening your credit history. Myth: you only have one credit score. You have multiple credit scores, as different scoring models, e.g., FICO, Vantage Score, and credit bureaus may use slightly different data. Myth: income affects your credit score. Your income is not a factor in your credit score. However, lenders may consider it when evaluating your creditworthiness. Tips for maintaining a healthy credit score. Once you've built or improved your credit score, it's important to maintain it. Here are some tips. Monitor your credit regularly. Use free tools like Credit Karma or your credit card's credit score feature to keep an eye on your score and report. Pay bills on time, every time. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your score. Make timely payments a priority. Keep balances low. Aim to pay off your credit card balances in full each month, or at least keep your utilization rate low. Avoid opening too many accounts. While having a mix of credit types is beneficial, opening too many accounts in a short period can hurt your score. Address issues promptly. If you notice errors on your credit report or signs of identity theft, take action immediately to resolve the issue. Your credit score is a powerful tool that can open doors to financial opportunities or hold you back if neglected. By understanding how credit scores work and taking proactive steps to build and improve your credit, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember, improving your credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, practice good financial habits, and be patient. Over time, your efforts will pay off, and you'll enjoy the benefits of a strong credit profile. Whether you're just starting to build credit or working to repair a damaged score, the key is to take action today. Your future self will thank you. Boost your financial future. Learn how to build and improve your credit today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert tips.